Hello everyone, so today we will upgrade a delivery controller from one version to a newer one, and we will upgrade also the database by using the SQL scripts generated by Citrix. This environment that we are working now on has only one database that stores the site logging and monitoring. So a configuration like this you will find in many productive environments because a lot of companies will not allow three separate databases, even if Citrix recommends that you separate them. So we have only one database. Um, we can check the version before we upgrade as usual. And we can check that with get broker installed debug version. So we are on LTSR 2203 CU3, and we will upgrade to CU4. Okay, I've already created a backup for my database. So I've created a full backup today, because I will also create a video how to restore everything back in case the upgrade goes wrong. So we have the database upgraded, and I believe I also have to take a snapshot of the server. Yeah, because I do not have a snapshot. Okay, take a snapshot, and let's call it before upgrade to CU4. Okay. So we also have a snapshot of the delivery controller, so we can revert everything back. Okay, let's close Studio and start the update process for the delivery controller. Okay, so we go with upgrade. We can close this one. Okay, agree with the license. Next. Agree with the steps. Next. Yes, I understand I have not sufficient RAM. I always recommend you to start the preliminary tests, but I've done that already, and I will not do them now. And go next, and here it shows you what it will upgrade, and go with upgrade. Okay, so this will take some time. Okay, so the upgrade finished. Now it needs a reboot. Okay, so the upgrade finished. We click next. And we click finish. Now we will open Studio. And we will go with the manually upgrade the site. Because this is a very small change, um, there Citrix only generates one script, but normally it should generate three scripts, one for the site, one for the monitoring, and one for the logging database. So let me show you the update process. Okay, so I've opened the Citrix article, and we need to go down on this article here. So when you create, normally it generates three scripts: upgrade site, which we now see, upgrade monitor, and upgrade logging. But because there is not such a big change between the databases, this time it only generated one. So the steps are the following: you run the disable services PowerShell script, and then you give the SQL scripts to the SQL team, and they need to run it because this is just one database. They need to run all three scripts against the same database. I will show you with the first one. So let's first stop the services. So the services are now stopped. We can run the SQL script. Okay, so let's take the SQL script and bring it to the SQL server. So that's our script. Let's go to the database. So first select the database, then open a file, upgrade site. Okay, and you need to run this with CMD mode. And just execute. Okay, so it completed successfully. Now, if you would have three scripts, you would close this one open the second script. So let's see, like Citrix says, okay, we done the site. Then the next one is the monitoring, and the last one is the logging. And all three scripts they need to be run, executed, I mean, against the same database because we only have one database. Okay, let me go back to Citrix, and we have to run the enable script. So this one, enable services. Insufficient user privileges. Why? Why? Let's see. We should be able to do that. Okay, let's start PowerShell as an administrator. And enable services open. Let's try again. Okay, so that was the problem. We didn't have PowerShell open as an administrator. Okay, next step, as you can see here, so backup your databases, disable the services, upgrade the databases, enable the services, and then click finish. Okay, so you don't have any errors. You can check Studio first, so you are on version CO4. Then you can check the database. Get broker, install the version, and now you are on the newest version. You can also do the easy tests, like so first, if you want to test the site, just make a change in the site. For example, you can add an application. This delivery group. Okay, this one. And from the start menu, because I have a server started, let's just publish. What should be published? Notepad. Can we publish Notepad? Or this one, WordPad. Okay. Next. Finish. Okay, we publish WordPad. We can check in the logs if it registered what we have done. Yes, it registered. So this means that logging works. And monitoring, we can check from director. Until this loads, we can also try a connection. So we already have the new app published. We will try this one to start, but first I want to see the director. Okay, we have no sessions, and we will start a session. We will open this. Okay, so the application started, and we should see this in director. Should see a one session. Okay, one session. Here it is, and it's me, and I have WordPad open. Okay, so everything works as expected. We didn't get any errors. Everything is fine. So this is how you upgrade a database with the SQL scripts. Thank you for watching.